Okay, folks, not quite sure where to start with this. We have a book that he kept where different parts were in different locations, but he's got everything marked. And if you're looking for old, new stock and tools, look at these pocket watches down here. There's watch cleaning machines in here they use. There's. I wish I was more knowledgeable to tell you. We've had a couple people look at them. He's got two workbenches. That's the one. The other one over there. We haven't touched anything on the benches. There's three cabinets there full of crystals. And this is just the left side. And I'm going to do one of the right side in a minute. Okay, this is the end of the room, and I'm going to now do the right side. And there's even stuff behind the door here. Nice clock here. There's a bunch of soldering irons and tools on there. Storage here. Again, we have a book that he wrote down where the different parts were for different kinds of watches and clocks. By the way, that's not a real gun up there. That's a cap gun. This man started fixing watches and clocks when he was 9 years old. He's now 95. Okay, Tim, you want to open up this closet for me? And there's a closet here. There's a couple of chemicals up there. There's some tools down there and some clocks. These look like some very nice tools. Here's another one. Look to be in very nice shape. This looks like a really nice one here. Let's see if I can get a better shot. So, feel free to contact us. Again, there's stuff everywhere. We haven't gone through it. We've cleaned up some of the debris, but that's about it. And here's an interesting piece. Look at this. John Fletcher, U.S. Army. That looks like a nice one. Okay, this is the living room. A number of grandfather clocks. And some wall clocks. I'm going to move around and try to show you close-ups. These are some vintage clocks here. And on this chair, Tim, if you want to pull that up. Sometimes there's layers. Here's two more clocks. Some stuff in that box. Now we're going to go over to this other chair. And this is the clock that he started making there. It's all done. All you have to do is put the weights on, as I understand it. Tim, if you want to pull that up. And more projects he had started there. Okay, you can put that down. Thank you, Tim. Then there's lots of parts in these boxes. And there's layers and layers. Over in here, there's just boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes. And you can see, there you go. You can see there's a big box. And then this is a old piece. And yeah, that's it, Tim. Pull out a couple of those drawers and show them what there's in there. Yeah. Just full of stuff. So, okay. Next room. This is in this hallway. He has these on a file cabinet. I believe he made this stand to work on grandfather clocks. There's a really nice cuckoo clock here. Okay, this is his bedroom. This is an interesting piece right here. Here's a really nice cuckoo clock. Unfortunately, the squirrels got to them. Some clocks here. These are all, I believe, old wind-ups right here. And all projects waiting to happen. Over here is a watch cleaning, I believe, cleaning machine. The glass pieces are inside that box it's sitting on. Over here in the corner is a cuckoo clock that we found, and it looks like a nice one. What is that, a 12-pointer? And then up here on top, there's a bunch of these. Okay, this is the kitchen. He had numerous projects he started and brought home and sat them here. And just piles of stuff. That's an interesting piece right there. Nice little anvil. Got a cup. This is looks like it's cast iron. Okay. I'm up in the attic. There's a lot of stuff. This is an ultrasonic cleaner. That's new in the box. This is the older stuff up here. When Jim moved, he put everything up here initially. This is new. This is the kind of stuff that we found in here. Brand new. Bird houses, more clocks. All of this stuff is full clock stuff. Some of it's other personal stuff, but it's packed. I think think this box goes with this over here. Here's the lows. But this is what you're going to find when you open these boxes up. Look at that. You know, more clock stuff, more clock stuff. I'll head downstairs now.